fan dates to 1980. Here's high. Has a bit of a startup buzz from one of the blades because it's missing a rubber washer. Oh, forgot there's no medium. Will you stop ticking? Okay. Shut up. Quit cavitating. Now I'm going to talk about something about these fans. Now, this is all according to Brian Hicks, but some of these fans underperform because of something on top of the thrust bearing. It's a rubber O-ring. Now, in most cases with Hunter Originals, there's a leather washer. But in the case with these 36-inch / 38-inch ones, there is a rubber O-ring instead. And, again, this is all according to Brian Hicks, but, in some fans, that O-ring will swell up, and in turn, the fan will underperform, and it will slow down to over 100, over 100 RPM on high, but still, like, way under its typical speed on high. And that's because the O-ring swells up. We don't really know, or at least I don't really know why the O-ring might swell up. Generally, I think it's because of the wrong oil being used. But I took this fan apart and the O-ring appeared to be good in it. It wasn't swollen. So therefore, this fan rips. Like, it flies. So yeah, there you go. Figured I'd just dive right in because you all have waited long enough for a demonstration of this.